For the first 10, 12 years, we did a variety of things. We bought houses subject to, sold them with lease options. We bought houses for cash with lines of credit, fixed them up and retailed them. We would do buy and hold and either do a straight rental or Section 8 rental. We did a variety of different things. And you've probably heard people say many times, well, if I could just start over. Sometimes life presents you with that opportunity. And for me, that opportunity came in the form of a very long divorce that was very costly. So I found myself in a position where I could say, well, I'm getting to start over again. So what do I want to do? And I really just evaluated all of the things that I had done over the past 10, 12 years and said, what did I really like? What did I not like? What worked well? What didn't work well? And really settled on what we call today the 12 house blueprint. And that is nothing but buying nicer homes that need very little to no work, buying them subject to, and selling those with seller financing. We don't sell with lease options. We don't do any straight rentals. It is a very, very targeted method. And people will say, well, that's a one trick pony, or that's not a good thing. What do you do in this market? What do you do in that market? And for that, I would say the key, if you want to be a one trick pony, is sustainability. Does your business model work in any market? Now, for example, a lot of times in a super hot market, there's questions on whether how successful you'll be with wholesaling. Okay, let's say the market crashes. We've been in a really hot market for a couple of years now. Let's say that you find most everybody underwater this time next year, or most properties are underwater, or a lot of them are underwater. Is wholesaling going to be viable? Well, maybe not. Don't know. I'm not a wholesaler. But I do know that the 12 house blueprint that we talk about is sustainable in any market. And